let's talk about another poisonous plant, the morning glory. So there's a bunch of different species of morning glories that are native to many, many regions all around the world, but most, if not all of them, do have some level of toxicity. There's multiple different types of compounds that are found within the morning glories that can cause problems, but the main one is a chemical that is very, very similar to LSD. Now, this being said, yes, people have used morning glories to fulfill a similar function to actual LSD, and no, you should not try it. Don't do it. Now, the majority of the morning glory plant is pretty safe. The only real issues come from the seeds. That's where all of the kind of toxic chemicals are stored, and the flowers and the leaves and stuff are overall harmless, if a little bit bad tasting. Consuming large quantities of morning glory seeds can cause some very bad symptoms that are largely gastrointestinal, so things like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, as well as in severe cases, hallucinations similar to taking LSD, but not the fun kind of hallucinations. Don't eat morning glory seeds. Now, morning glories do have a rather high LD50, so it is pretty unlikely that anyone will actually die from eating morning glories. However, there have been cases where people come close or actually do die. Most cases of morning glory poisons do come from people trying to experience the hallucinogenic effects, but they take too much and end up getting very, very sick. It does take a very large quantity of morning glory seeds to produce the hallucinogenic effects, and by taking that much, you will also come along and experience the gastrointestinal effects as well. So while it is unlikely to be fatal by ingesting these, it's also likely that if you take them, you'll just have an incredibly bad time with no other benefits, so just don't.